Come on. You can do it. I don't know. If you got a 370Z and you've already made the right choice by upgrading your headlights from the OEMs to the Morimoto XBs, well, good for you, you did the right thing, like I said. But if you're still rocking the OEM LED taillights, well, I think your time has come, and the time has absolutely come for this one sitting right here behind me. As you can see, these things are struggling big time. And so today, here we are at TRS, we're gonna put a set of the brand new, just released, fresh out of the box, Morimoto XB LED sequential taillights on this pretty 370Z right behind me. Absolutely loving the style and the blacked out taillights for this car. I think that they match the headlights absolutely perfectly. The sequential LED turn signal is super, super bright, as is the 4 sections of LED turn and brake lights as well. These things also feature a super bright LED reverse light for those of you guys who like to back that ass up in the dark. I know I do. Alright guys, as you can see, we've now got the taillights fully installed. Loving the way that the blacked out look on these things matches the headlights from Morimoto, looks solid. Love the sequential LED turn signal as you guys saw, and also loving the fact that you can now drift around, boom, 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 and they'll stay lit. Have fun guys, see you next time.